throw it in the sour sprinkle and you won't want to stop do it anymore. In a container, add 1 cup and a half of sour sprinkles. In a saucepan, add 50 ml of oil, 50 ml of milk, 50 ml of water and leave until it starts to boil. As soon as it boils, pour everything over the sour sprinkle. With the help of a spatula, mix very well. Soon after, add 1 egg, 1 pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of butter. And now stir again. Then start mixing with your hands. When you get to that point, add 50 grams of mozzarella, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Mix again until all the cheese is incorporated. So it's perfect. Now with the help of a spoon, take some and start modeling with your hands, shape it like a ball. Once this is done, move to a greased form with a little oil. Bake at 200 degrees and leave it for 20 minutes. After that time, our cheese bread is ready. Look how amazing it looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I put in the oven only half the recipe, so it yields much more. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.